Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to compare two popular sewing machines in India, the Usha Dream Stitch and Singer 80 to 80. As someone who has been sewing for over 30 years, I have used various types of sewing machines and I'm excited to share my experience with these two machines. Before we begin with the explanation of the basic and significant comparison between Usha Dream Stitch and Singer 80 to 80, you need to know that both of these are basic level sewing machines. Basic is not a dirty word here. A basic sewing machine would perform the stitching functions, which are essential to sewing anything. Generally, a basic sewing machine could be your manual sewing machine or a treadle sewing machine. In recent times, many countries have stopped producing and selling manual sewing machines. Basic sewing machine means that you can. A basic sewing machine is one that can do straight stitch sewing, and in some cases, zigzag stitching too. You can use it to sew new clothes, repair old worn-out garments, and get basic stitching features. In addition to that, you can also do craft sewing, make simple DIY sewing projects, sew lightweight to medium weight fabrics like cotton, chiffon, georgette, linen, rayon, soft denim, fennel, silk, and more. You can do lightweight quilting, sew a few layers of thin fabrics, and do all 3 layers of thick fabrics. You can even teach your kids to learn sewing, do mending and alterations, make dolls and doll clothes, simple bags, and home decor. And if you have a baby, you can also make baby clothes and accessories. So, as you can see, there are plenty of things you can do with a basic sewing machine. Even a manual sewing machine would perform all these things for you, but those machines are manually operated. That means you need to put your hands or feet energy, kinetic energy, to sew with a manual sewing machine. Whereas, a Usha Dream Stitch and Singer 80 to 80 are automatic sewing machines. Apart from straight stitch, you can do zigzag stitching and some other design patterns. You need electricity to run any of these two stitching machines. There is no doubt that this machine has gained immense popularity in the market due to its user-friendly features, lowest price, and attractive design. And the best part is that at a pocket-friendly price, you get both stitching and designing features in a single machine. For a beginner, this machine offers more than the required stitch and design patterns. With a combination of the given stitch patterns and foot options, you can easily create a good number of design styles. This machine offers the best of both worlds as it combines the experience and technical know-how of both Usha and Janome sewing companies. Usha was established in 1935 and has since become India's leading brand, while Janome, established in 1921, is a Japanese company that has an unmatched market presence globally in sewing machine designs. Automatic zigzag sewing machine with compact free arm. Thread tension control, manual, stitch pattern selector, dial type. 7 built-in stitches including 4-step buttonholing, 7 applications including lace fixing, quilting, smocking and rolled hemming. Auto-tripping bobbin system, drop feed for embroidery, manual needle threading, sewing light. Sewing speed, 550 SPM, stitches per minute, stitch length control, triple strength stitch. Warranty, 2 years manufacturer's warranty. Package contains sewing machine, instruction manual and warranty card. Free demo service available only in selected cities. Country of origin, Indonesia. Seven built-in stitch patterns. The sewing speed of 550 stitch per minute, SPM. 4-step buttonhole sewing. Usha Dream Stitch is an automatic, zigzag stitching machine. It has a carrying handle and soft cover to protect it from dust. It offers some advanced features like built-in motor, color-coded functional faceplate, pattern-making dial, pattern selection, and many other things. Dream Stitch has a free arm to help you stitch sleeve bottom, pants, armhole finishing, etc. This free arm is useful in circular stitching. It has a built-in light, which gets on and off with a switch button. Single-touch reverse stitch button. One snap-on presser foot comes with Dream Stitch sewing machine. Straight stitch, hem stitch, tricot stitch, zigzag stitch. Stitch clothes or upcycle old garments. Lace fixing and beading. Buttonhole sewing. Sewing buttons. Quilting. Picket stitch. Cording. Mending and embroidery. Picket foot. Buttonhole foot. 2 bobbins. Set of sewing machine needles. Seam ripper. Singer 80-80 sewing machine, which is a solid body machine perfect for beginners. This machine has a classic wide design that is compact and easy to carry anywhere you need to take it. Singer has been a pioneer in sewing machines, but in recent years, Usha Janome has given it tough competition in the Indian sewing machine market. The Singer 80-80 sewing machine is easy to set up and start and offers both basic and advanced stitching features. Although Singer machines have a strong metal body to keep the machine stable, Usha Janome also has an aluminum cast body, which is just as durable. On average, both the Usha Janome Dream Stitch and Singer 80-80 machines can last for 10 to 30 years, depending on how well they're cared for. Although the Dream Stitch has a solid interior metal body, the Singer 80-80 wins some points when it comes to heavy-duty interior metalwork. It also features free arm movement, which makes sewing collars, sleeves, hems, and cuffs a breeze. Changing presser feet in seconds. Inbuilt thread cutter in presser bar. Accessory storage in extension table. Type, electric. Thread tension adjustment, yes. Oscillating shuttle mechanism, half shuttle. Warranty, 2 years on product. Sewing speed 800 stitch per minute, SPM. 7 built-in stitch patterns. 24 stitch functions. Free arm for circular stitching. Built-in light attachment. Max stitch width, 5 mm. 4-step buttonhole foot. Inbuilt thread cutter in presser bar. Heavy-duty metal frame holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for perfect sewing and durability. Variable needle positions. Needle position can be changed for individual projects, such as inserting zippers or cording and top stitching. Adjustable stitch length and width. Keep seams strong and prevent bunching on any type of fabric. Personalize stitch length and width with just a turn of a dial. Free arm. Provides professional results by offering easy access to cuffs, collars, pant hems, and other difficult reach areas. Straight stitch. Hem stitch. Tricot stitch, zigzag stitch. Stitch clothes or upcycle old garments. Lace fixing and beading. Buttonhole sewing. Sewing buttons. Quilting. Picot stitch. Cording. Zipper fixing. Mending and embroidery. All-purpose general presser foot. Zipper foot. Buttonhole foot. Button sewing foot. Seam ripper lint brush. Edge quilting guide. Needles. Bobbins. Spool holder. Screwdriver. Darning plate. Spool pin. Spool pin felt. Power cord foot control. Instruction manual. Soft-sided dust cover. Both machines have 7 stitch functions. You get free arm stitch in both machines. Both machines offer 4-step buttonhole stitch. Both are automatic, zigzag machines which run on electricity. Dream Stitch, as well as Singer 80 to 80, is available in offline and online stores. The Singer is 7 kilograms in weight, but Dream Stitch is 5.95 kilograms. Singer offers 800 SPM, and Dream Stitch is 550 SPM. Singer offers inbuilt thread cutter, but Dream Stitch does not have this feature. The Singer has needle adjustment options, but you don't get such options in Dream Stitch. You get zipper foot with Singer 80 to 80, but you don't get it with Dream Stitch. Though, you can still fix zipper with Dream Stitch. You get a darning plate with Singer 80 to 80 to cover the feed door. You don't need a darning plate on Usha Janome sewing machines because you can drop feed with a slide of a button. I hope the above comparison review helps you make a better decision while buying a sewing machine.